Donlon, and I'm a product manager at Epson Robots. Highlighted here from our Automate Elite partner, Calvary Robotics, is the VT6L all-in-one 6-axis robot. We call it the all-in-one because it has a controller built into the base of the robot for a fast and efficient installation. It can run on 110 or 220 volts, and it comes with an easy-to-use RC Plus development environment for configuring and building automation solutions. In this case, the robot communicates through an Ethernet over IP field bus slave card with an Allen Bradley PLC preferred by the customer. This robot has 6 degrees of freedom, the 6 kilogram maximum payload, and a 900 millimeter reach. The body design features a compact, slimline structure to fit into tight spaces, and it can be wall or ceiling mounted to space even more efficiently. In addition to the standard environment, we support ISO 4 cleanroom as well as IP67 environments. We have provided many tools to simplify cable management, including custom designed brackets, as well as access through the face of J5, J6 to allow end-of-arm tooling without worrying about cable wrap or service loops. Visit our landing page to learn more. Thank you.